What? Give it back?
Yeah.
Why? Is it yours?
Yes. Mommy, get it back.
Is it yours?
Yes.
Whose is it? Do you want to go to the store with me or stay with Caitlin?
No. No, Dad.
What do you want to do?
Go to the door.
Go to the store?
Okay, go to the door.
What?
Okay, go to the door.
Caitlin go to the store?
Yes.
By herself?
Yes.
She can't go by herself. Do you want to come with me or stay with Caitlin? What kind of noise is that?
Tea. Mommy.
What?
I can't go back. Mommy, can't back. Okay.